So now we are presenting Butterworth filter. With respect to the Chebyshev filter, which is also fourth order, we can see the difference between Butterworth and Chebyshev filter. This green thing is Butterworth filter, which is pretty smooth in the passband region, but whereas Chebyshev filter has some ripples. Now this is a trade-off between Butterworth and Chebyshev filters. The Butterworth has a slower drop in comparison to Chebyshev filter, but the advantage is that it is smoother in the passband region. Now, if we go into the hardware simulation, this is the Butterworth circuit we have done. This is the low pass filter of the Butterworth filter, which is of 7 kilohertz. This is the buffer, and this is the high pass filter of the Butterworth filter, which is of 7 kilohertz. Now, similarly, this first plot in the hardware is input to the Butterworth filter, and second one is the output to this. Now, as we vary this frequency, at smaller frequencies, we don't see any output, which is like very pretty less. It for 5 volts it is going to somewhere around less than 1 millivolt, which means it is filtering. So as we increase the frequency beyond 10k or 7k, we see that again the voltage is dropping, which means the Butterworth filter is a band pass filter. So as we plot the frequency response analysis of this filter, so as we can see, this is the green line is the magnitude response and the red line is the phase response of this Butterworth filter. Initially at 10 Hz to 100 Hz, the magnitude response is pretty small and there can be a chances of noise interfering with the filter's output. So that is why we see the board plot little bit distorted at here, and the filter passband is very smooth at this point. This is around 2 kilohertz here, which is having around 3 dB here, and at 7 kilohertz also we have something around this 7.5 kilohertz, which is close to 3 dB. Now this roll-off is very smooth in Butterworth filter and faster than Bessel filter. Now if we take an example of this square wave, and let us suppose a frequency of 5 kilohertz is put in this. Now for this square wave there are harmonics of 5 kilohertz, 15 kilohertz and 25 kilohertz and so on, and our Butterworth is very smooth in this 2 to 7 kilohertz region, and this drop is very large, so we are able to achieve a perfect sine of 5 kilohertz. So we can show this through FFT also. This is the principal harmonic, this is the third harmonic. This is 15 kilohertz, this is 25 kilohertz. We can see a significant drop in the output response, which is filtered by the Butterworth filter. For the Fourier series FFT of this square wave, these harmonics would have a higher magnitude, which the Butterworth filter successfully filtered it.